Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Porsche Panamera. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Porsche has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.